Hello there. My name is Noor Adlisha Noorji, and I am the Senior Sales Manager of Palm Garden Hotel, IOI Resort City, Putrajaya, Malaysia. I was actually very fortunate to have been selected for a training with Jonathan Low. My colleagues and I have been participating in the Hospitality Sales and Revenue Development Program, where there are several modules, including Sales and Service Mastery, Sales Negotiation, and Sales Presentation. What makes us so excited is that Jonathan has taken us on a paradigm shift where we all look at sales and marketing from different angles. The training provided has made us aware of more effective ways to succeed in this field. The training sessions provided were very exciting with a variety of situations that made us all look forward for the next module. The handouts and activities given was full of information needed. It happens that all the points given throughout is very useful on our daily job task. It turns out that Jonathan Low is an individual who was born to make drastic changes after following his training and use his guidance. If you're out there, have the chance to join his training, you will understand what I meant. So, thank you, Mr. Jonathan Low, and kudos.